Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Zahir. Today I am here to show you the demonstration for my project on AWS cloud platform, that is Plasma Donor app with serverless computing. This is an application I have took from AWS Buildathon, which is conducted by Smart Bridge. For this we are given with the Smart Interns platform where you find the project description and the solution that is required for this project, and also a flow which we need to follow for completion of this project is given. We are given with the milestones for this project. Each milestone consists of a procedure which we need to follow for the project. And also we have reference links for our convenience to understand the procedure of the services. Coming to the project, we are given with AWS Educate free account in which we can use most of the AWS cloud services. In this project, I have used DynamoDB for storing data, Lambda function, API gateway, and IAM for integration of this. Coming to DynamoDB, this is the table which I have created for storing the values of plasma donors. These are the records I have stored in DynamoDB. Coming to Lambda function, I have created multiple Lambda functions for each procedure. First procedure is registration. Coming to donor registration, here Lambda function I have written for registration code. When we test the Lambda function, it gives the output for whatever the input is given. When a person registers, it shows if it's registered successfully, we get registered successfully message. Now after that, we have getting data when we give the Aadhaar card. I have given the Aadhaar card as a key, primary key. This is the code for that. When we test this code, we will get the output. Yeah, I have already given the inputs in configure view. As I have given a Aadhaar number, the related data will be appearing in the output. After that, we have count of the blood donors available. When we test this, we can see the count of each blood group person, as I have given a blood group of each person separately. So we got once in all the blood groups. After this, finally we have this main get data based on blood group. When we provide the blood group, it will provide the details of a person with that blood group. This is the code for getting details based on blood group. Now coming to API gateway. In API gateway, we integrate Lambda function and show the test the outputs. Here I have created resources and methods for each resource. Going to registration. When we test the registration, I am giving values. When we register with some details, it will give it register successfully. After that, if we go for getting data based on Aadhaar card or any other key, I have given this Aadhaar card and we will get the data of a person with that Aadhaar number. Now we are going for count of the blood groups. Here we can see the number of blood groups present in the table we have entered. How many people having the blood group same. Now this is the main. Here we can enter the blood group. It will fetch the data with the blood group B O positive. Here we can see the person with O positive blood group. Now after this, I have created API URLs using stages. I have deployed all the stages here. We can get links for each URL here, and we can. I will show one for example. We can directly run this blood donor. We are finding a blood group B positive. We got the details of a person having the B positive blood group. Now we are integrating these all in using Flask. For this, I have used Visual Studio Code. This is the code which I have written for integration of AWS with Visual Code. This is the login page, HTML page I have created for login. This is the registration page. This is requesting of the blood, and this is the status of the blood groups present, and this is the style sheet, CSS style sheet. This is the main Python file in which I have integrated all the API URLs. Here we can see the URLs. I have took data from AWS using this API URLs. I have integrated these URLs in this Python code. For the integration. Now let's run and see the code. Now we can directly run this code in browser. Here we got the link. Now we are running it in browser. This is the page which I have created for this. Now let's log in with some details. When we log in with the credentials present in DynamoDB, we get the number of count of blood groups present, so that we could request for blood. Here we could request if you want a B positive and submit for request. The request will be sent directly to the person who is having B positive. This is the process of my project and the procedure. Thank you for seeing this video.